ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੌੜੀ ਹੈ 70ਵੀਂ ਪੌੜੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਕੀ ਆਖਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ? ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਪਜੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੰਕ 3 ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਪੌੜੀ 47। ਅਸੰਖ ਜਪ ਅਸੰਖ ਭਾਉ। ਅਸੰਖ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਲੋਕ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ, ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਭਾਵ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਪ੍ਰਿਯ ਨੂੰ ਜਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ, ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਭਾਵ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਿਠਾ ਕੇ ਅਸੰਖ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਜਪ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਅਸੰਖ ਪੂਜਾ ਅਸੰਖ ਤਪਤਾਓ। ਅਣਗਿਣਤ ਐਸੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦੀ ਆਰਾਧਨਾ ਜਾਂ ਪੂਜਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਬੜੇ ਹੀ ਤਪ ਮਤਲਬ ਰੋਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਅਸੰਖ ਐਸੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ। ਅਸੰਖ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਮੁੱਖ ਵੇਦ ਪਾਠ। ਅਸੰਖ ਮੁੱਖ ਨਾਲ ਗ੍ਰੰਥਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਠ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਵੇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਠ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਪਾਵਣੇ ਵੇਦ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਪਾਠ ਕਰੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਅਸੰਖ ਐਸੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ। ਅਸੰਖ ਜੋਗ ਮਨ ਰਹਿ ਉਦਾਸ। ਅਣਗਿਣਤ ਜਾਂ ਅਸੰਖ ਐਸੇ ਵੀ ਹਨ ਯੋਗੀ ਚਿੱਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੁਨੀਆਦਾਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਔਰ ਅੰਦਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਦਾਸੀ ਦੇ ਭਾਵ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਉਸ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਜਾਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਨੇ। There are countless people, those are with the feeling of love, they are chanting the name of the God. Means with the good feeling they are chanting name of the God. Countless people are there on the planet. Asankh puja asankh taptao, and countless people are there, those are praying before the God and daily they perform puja and getting heated up with the puja part etc. असंख ग्रंथ मुख वेद पाठ। Several or countless people are there, those are reading sacred books and they are reading many kind of book to get the knowledge about the God written in sacred books. maybe Bible, maybe Quran, maybe Vedas, maybe Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Several people are differently reading, studying, trying to understand what is written in the sacred books about the God. They are busy in this type of things. असंख जोग मन रहे उदास. Countless yogis are there. By mind, they are neutral. They left their families and went to Himalaya or jungle or anywhere else and trying to practice to meet God. Yog means what? If we add two things, the addition of two is called yog. But in spirituality, yog means our soul wants to join supreme powerful soul. Our small consciousness wants to join supreme consciousness of Lord. Means joining of two things is called yog. And for this, practice is required at a place where more and more silence is there. In this way, different people doing things differently, but object is one, to merge within superpower or see about the God. This is the target of everyone. But while we practice differently different things, what is important for the people, those are residing on this planet and doing marriage, generating kids, taking care of kids, arranging for their education, and many other things required to develop the personality of that kid. Our religion means our master guru, he himself was married and had two sons, one sister and sister's husband, and mother, father, relatives, many more relatives he had. That is why, and he had lot of soil, farmhouse, very big farmhouse he had, in which after practicing all these spiritual things, and then he was going to the farmhouse and doing farming and producing wheat, and many more things. Still, that farmhouse is available where he has taken birth. Name of the place is Nankana Sahib. Now it is in Pakistan. Name of the city is Lahore. Name of the village is Rai Pohidi Talwandi. Still, his farmhouse of 700-acre area, it is still there, and his house is also there, parental house. So thing is like this, you have to do your duty as a social person and side by side do this practice of spiritual practice. Clean your heart, try to listen. Many people are doing things in a different way. You can also have nowadays much more facilities are available. Even in telephone, we can see the entire Guru Granth Sahib. We can study in Punjabi, English, Spanish language. In many languages, Guru Granth Sahib Ji is available, and what he wanted to say to human being, entire thing is available in that Granth Sahib, Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and we can also study from there. What is important? Important is that a person who had family, kids, wife, father, mother, sister, and his many acre of land, farmhouse, and farming the things, producing eatables in farmhouse and distributing it through the Gurdwara to all the nearby villagers free of cost. It was his mission, and successfully, and nowadays 3 crores followers of Guru Nanak are available, present on this planet, on this globe. Almost they are following the principles written by him and enjoying very good status wherever they are, and trying to help to humanity, all kind of mind, and respecting, giving or paying respect to women and all people, staying as a neighbor or as a, they are treating with everybody as friendly as possible. This all facts are known nowadays on TV, on many other media channels. At the time of Gurpurab, collectively they are performing kirtan, they perform langar, they listen good sound of kirtan, and doing as our master told us or shown the path. Actually, Master's Guru Nanak aim was that you live in this planet along with your all in the same way as you are doing from last many years. But remember, God, sharp your consciousness, get connected with the Anahad Naad, meditate on this tune, listen Kirtan, increase knowledge, increase spiritual knowledge and practice it and spread good things amongst all other citizens wherever you reside. This is the message of our Guru. This is the message of Guru Nanak, who wanted to bring peace around the world and good relation with all kind of people. Pay respect whether he is rich or person is poor. We have to respect. We have to respect ladies, women, everyone. We have to respect. It is his teaching. Maintain good relation with everybody. Maintain friendship with everyone. Maintain peace and communal harmony around the world. He wanted to bring peace and communal harmony. He tried to join Muslim as well as Hindu, Sufi, Yogi and Buddhist, many kind of people. He wanted to get connection with the God. This was his aim, so that peace and communal harmony can be achieved. It was his motive. It was his motive to donate maximum thing. Minimum 10% of the income should be donated or spent on the poor people. Sikhs are making langars and helping all those people, those are poor or needy. These are his views, our master's views, and he has given us teaching to spend the life with the connectivity of God, intelligently, with knowledge, with good person, good behavior, and everything all qualities should be high and good. Even then, we have to remember God and praise whatever God has given us.